Fireplace glass door fogging or discoloration can totally ruin the cozy vibe you're aiming for when you light up your fire. So what you want to do first is grab a fireplace glass cleaner. Don't just use regular window cleaner because that won't cut it. Make sure the glass is cool before you start scrubbing, or you might crack it, which is the last thing you want. Use a soft cloth or a sponge and gently rub away that soot and buildup. If the fogging keeps coming back, check the seal around the glass door because a worn out or damaged seal lets smoke and moisture sneak in, causing that nasty fog and discoloration. You can usually replace the seal yourself if you grab the right size from a hardware store or order online. Another tip is to burn dry, seasoned wood because wet wood creates more smoke, which leads to more buildup on your glass. Also, keep an eye on your fireplace's airflow. If it's not getting enough oxygen, it'll produce more smoke and make the glass dirty faster. Cleaning regularly helps too. Don't wait until it's a total mess. One of the biggest mistakes people make with fireplace glass door fogging and discoloration is ignoring the seal integrity, which causes smoke to leak and fog up your glass. Fix it by inspecting and replacing the seal when you spot cracks or wear. Another common issue is using the wrong cleaning products that can damage the glass or leave streaks. Always go for a cleaner made specifically for fireplace glass. Lastly, burning wet or green wood causes excessive smoke that dirties up your glass faster. Switch to dry, seasoned wood to keep things cleaner longer. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff. For contractors, it's a great way to get connected with real customers who need work done on their homes.